So this is the Bose Solo Soundbar Series 2. Alright, we're gonna unbox this thing. This is the back side. Alright, my son is ready to unbox this soundbar by Bose. That's the manual. Start right there. This is just simple as 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna get the bar out. We're gonna unleash the bar. Come on, son, right there. That's what it looks like. Pull him out, son. Okay, you're gonna unwrap it. That's the back side of it, where you hook up the. That's where you hook up the cable and the power. That's the remote. Okay, that's the power. That's the brick. That's the remote. And this one is the plate. You can install them anywhere in the wall. And this is what it sounds like.
Paalanganin ang gaan na sa loob. Higit pa ng pasanin na karolyo babagain paikot sabay sa hangin. Sirkulo layo sa oblo.